learn there to be wise.
Moving on, the lyrics is all are shining stars on which we can depend. No doubt, the shining star for us is the institute.
You are the light of the world. A city built on a hill cannot be hidden. No one, after lighting a lamp, puts it under the bushel basket, but on the lampstand, and it gives light to all in the house. In the same way, let your light shine before others, so that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father in heaven.
There is a candle in every soul, some brightly burning, some dark and cold. There is a spirit who brings a fire, ignites a candle, and makes his home. So carry your candle, run to the darkness, seek out the hopeless, confused and torn.
Mr. Manager, Sister Principal, our ever-obliging teachers and loving parents, I cordially welcome you on this solemn occasion when our school celebrates this school day and pays homage to the insightful founder of CMC congregation, Saint Chavra, whose centenary year was celebrated last year.
कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Today's program, we have with us the prayer dance group to help us invoke upon the blessings of the Almighty.
वन्दनं सन्तु चावरा तुर्याकुस् पितृस्वराकारं तव दर्शनम् वन्दनं सन्तु चावरा तुर्याकुस् पितृस्वराकारं तव दर्शनम् देवहितं मनहितं देवहितं अमृत वचन तेरा स्वराक्षर प्रचलित है प्रदेश और सारा परिवार अमृत वचन तेरा स्वराक्षर प्रचलित है प्रदेश और सारा परिवार उल्लसित लहरों का अक्षर मंदिर द्वार कहीं न कहीं का भी अद्भुत सुंदर उल्लसित लहरों का अक्षर मंदिर द्वार कहीं न करेगा रे अद्भुत सुंदर देवहितं मनहितं देवहितं मनहितं ससरि रि ससरि रि सरि गरि सरि ग सरि ग म प म ग म प अब्बा से प्रसृत तेरात्मदर्शन सिवाय भेदभाव का सुंदर दर्शन अब्बा से प्रसृत तेरात्मदर्शन सिवाय भेदभाव का सुंदर दर्शन ज्ञान भक्ति कर्मों का मार्ग समन्वयन कुटुंब को लक्षित सारोपदेशम ज्ञान भक्ति कर्मों का मार्ग समन्वयन कुटुंब को लक्षित सारोपदेशम वंदनम संत चावरा कुरियाकुस पितृस्वराकारं तव दर्शनम् देवहितं मनहितं देवहितं मनहितम्.
Our school teaches us to have faith in God, so believing and trusting upon the manifold blessings of the Almighty, let's set to today's eventful journey.
Our institution is the pivotal point of our life, and its core values are the cornerstones on which our life stands. Our students have brilliant qualities and talents to exhibit in.
Today I quality of beauty. It is a quality that is important and worth learning while living life. Moral upliftment, it is related to human behavior to make a difference between good and bad, right and wrong according to conscience. Moral values are correct, respect, justice, honesty, good behavior, helping nature, never hurt anyone, love for education.
Value education in our school makes the student conscious about their responsibilities towards themselves, neighbors, societies, nations, and the world at large. It helps to infuse the values of the great CMC founder, Saint Kyriakos Shafra. As we pay homage to this great personality, here is The Footprints of Saint, a scintillating musical performance depicting his life.
Kanikari is a beautiful place in Kuttanadu, an Arabian coastal area in Kerala, the God's own country. This place was doubly blessed with the birth of Saint Kyriakos Elias Chavara on February 10th, 1805, as the sixth child of parents Kyriakos and Mariam, who were zealous Catholics. He considered it a particular fortune to have had grown up with the loving care of his mother. He had his early schooling under a country teacher who was a Hindu, in the company of other boys belonging to different faiths. He felt relieved with his call to priesthood, which came when he reached the age of 10. He had a very good priestly training under the rather strict discipline of Father Palakal, who had a special predilection for this disciple. He led an extraordinary life of holiness and committed action for the transformation of the society. as his companions in the seminary themselves testify. They had great respect, love, and regard for Kuriakose because he was a model of gentleness, humility, obedience, brotherly love, and devotion to God. His humble and self-sacrificing spirit won the members of congregation his paternal testament. He breathed his last on 3rd January 1871 at the age of 66 and was canonized by His Holiness Pope Francis on 23rd November 2014. The Kerala Society at the time of Saint Chavara was much backward in social, cultural and educational levels. Saint Chavara was a visionary leader of the time who brought into action many plans for the spiritual and social progress of the society. His educational contributions laid a strong foundation for a society in which all were worthy of justice, respect, and dignity. He is credited with the foundation of 2 congregations, CMI for men and CMC for women, indigenous printing press and publications, a Sanskrit school, schools adjoined to every parish, boarding school attached to convents, and initiation of women empowerment programs. His educational reforms brought a new dawn in the educational history of the then backward state of Kerala. It wouldn't be wrong to say that Saint Chavara's efforts played a major role in today's Kerala, proudly declaring itself a state with 100% literacy rate. Even the 2 congregations of CMI fathers and CMC sisters founded by Saint Chavara continue to serve the mankind in field of education and healthcare through the various schools and hospitals that they have established. Example of one such institution is our school, St. Teresa's Convent School, which is managed by CMC sisters and continues to spread the light of knowledge. St. Chavara's education vision includes inclusion, excellence, expansion and equity, and a comprehensive outlook.
This performance makes me feel blessed and gifted to be studying under the wings of CMC sisters who carry forward the heritage of this ingenious man. To add another realm to this beautiful day, we have contemporary dance performance honoring the far-sighted soul, Saint Chavara.
Your glory and splendor, O Son of God, I long to see. Your glory and splendor, O Son of God, I long to see. Your glory and splendor, O Son of God, I long to see. unceasingly, offered praise and worship I long to see. Love and joy the angels adore, humble strain I long to see. I long to see. I long to see. I long to see. Call of disciples, O Lord of the gospel, to proclaim your word I long to see. The good shepherd seeking his flocks that had gone astray I long to see. I long to see. I long to see. I long to see.
The words he left behind enlighten millions even today, after hundreds of years of his existence. He was indeed a quixotic personality, greatly honored and lovingly remembered.
School day, the most sought after day in the academic session of any school. So, presenting before you Prince Chaudhary of class 9 to share his thoughts for the day.
Good morning to all. Our very respectable manager, Sister JC, our honorable principal, Sister Jiva, worthy teachers, loving parents, and all my dear friends. Today, once again, it's the day of the year when we celebrate, remember, and pledge to carry forward the legacy of Saint Teresa of Child Jesus, the patroness of our school, Saint Teresa's Convent School. The day when we commemorate the years of hard work and service that our school has provided over the years to this humble vicinity of ours. Yes, it's our school day, being celebrated virtually, which otherwise used to be a day celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm. No doubt, as I stand before you all to deliver the speech for the day, I miss the faces of my schoolmates that used to have a tinge of excitement, encouragement, and pride of celebrating this solemn occasion. But even this pandemic couldn't deter us from coming forward to celebrate this day. It's a proud moment for all of us to carry forward the legacy of celebrating this remarkable day. The day marks the feast of our school's patron, Saint Teresa of Child Jesus. But today we also pay our reverence to the visionary behind the humble beginning of our CMC sisters who runs this school, Saint Kuryakos Chabra, whose centenary year was celebrated last year. Each day spent here in this great alma mater reminds me of a beautiful quote by a former president and a gem of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill a disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. The core values of our school, faith in God, moral upliftment, human excellence, forgiveness, humility, and patriotism frequently inspire us to stand firm, have confidence wrapped in the goodness of faith, and to continuously strive for excellence while still being humble, compassionate, and righteous to others. Our wonderfully gifted teachers help to enable us to make these values the cornerstones of our life and build a strong moral character to stand tall as a worthy and useful channel for the growth of our nation as well as our society. This alma mater of ours has not only enlightened our path but also has provided us with a competitive environment and opportunities to show our talent in different aspects. As the saying goes, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Hence, each child here is encouraged to carry out the curriculum which motivates him to focus not only in academics but extracurricular activities as well. Each day spent here in the able guidance of our formators is a gift in itself. As I end my speech, I, as a proud Teresian, on behalf of my schoolmates, pledged to add glory and stories of success to our school with all the talent and efforts we can make. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Prince, for your thought-provoking words.
Definitely, words are not enough to express our excitement. So, why not express with a beautiful dance? Let's welcome the blooming flowers of Saint Teresa, offering their respect to the guiding star of our school, Saint Teresa Convent School. So, sit back and enjoy.
just like they did to us.
This institution, St. Teresa's Convent School, guides us on the path of compassion, humility, love, and patriotism. So, why not have the words from the driving force of the school herself, Sister Jiva, the principal?
Memories rush into our minds when we think of school day celebration. Lot of activities, input sessions, entertainments, all these were the part of our celebration. Since 2 years, we are having online mode of celebration, a new approach to keep our memories memorable. Saint Teresa, the patroness of our institution, declared on her deathbed, "I will spend my heaven doing good on earth." She is fulfilling her promises, showering roses of blessings on us and on the whole world. In the short span of just 24 years of her life on earth, she could capture the attention of the whole world with her true love for God and love for neighbor. Her life inspires us to believe that God's presence changes scarcity into abundance, emptiness to fullness, and misery to prosperity. We also take the privilege to reflect upon the life of Saint Kuriakos Elias Chavara, a visionary par excellence. As a visionary with far-sightedness, he channeled his life on earth towards serving the people in diverse and varied ways. His contributions are always gratefully remembered and cherished. May his life continue to inspire and motivate many more people to commit their life for the cause of good for all. I wish you all a very happy school day.
She is a person who has consumed herself to change the society and light the darkness in the life of innumerable people. Thank you, sister, for your ever motivating words.
It is said, gratitude is the best attitude. So, let's culminate this function with a word of thanks for all those who made this day a grand success. I request Nakshi ma'am to propose a vote of thanks.
Very good day to all. I, Meenakshi Kaur, on behalf of my institution, St. Teresa's Convent School, and the entire fraternity of this institution, would like to extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessings and grace, we were able to make this event successful. I extend my gratitude to our respected principal, Sister Shiva, who encourages us by her ideas and always standing as a pillar of strength. I also extend thanks to all the staff members for their enormous cooperation on this event. It is well said that an event like this can't happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye on details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated staff of our institution. My sincere gratitude goes to all the parents and well-wishers for their rock-solid support system and encouragement. Without their support, children were not being able to achieve excellence. Finally, I would like to thank our budding rock stars that made this event joyful with their impressive performances. Children, we value you and your existence in this temple of learning. Thank you.
There is an end to everything, but we believe there is never an end, but always a beginning. Education is a passport to those beginning. It is the most powerful weapon to change the world. May we continue to cherish and fulfill the values that this great institution imbibes us each day. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.